Welcome to Profloan 3. This video will cover solving for loan amount using the world's best financial loan calculator. Before viewing this video, users should familiarise themselves with Profloan 3 basics and solution patterns. When solving for loan amount, term, interest rate, and a solution pattern are mandatory. The solution pattern may consist of any positive number, including 0. Therefore, structured patterns are acceptable no matter how complex. Now simply click on Solve for Loan Amount. Note Cost Net. This concludes this video.